Already a 7:57 right there. I'll make a video in the morning. Again, so many contrails. Hey, kitty. A320? Or A319, are ya? A3 whatever. Come here, you need to get on camera. Yeah, that's gonna get a good shot. If my camera even picked up over there. Oh my god. I need to contact the people who make this. I'm sorry, the only complaint I'll be lodging this time is that it doesn't pick up over there with the sky. It's just all white. Another chemical econs for him. I don't know when I was filming the sun. It's already made it down here. That burned my camera. Literally when I touched it, I got a red mark on my finger. Hey, I got closer to it as well. That is a 7:57 making that. I didn't even have my Nikon P900 with me right now. As I've explained, I'm not taking that outside anymore. Even though I'm the king of risks, I don't take that kind of risk. Oh, 737's gonna come right over us. Woo! Southwest 737. This is exactly what that other one did last night. Remember the lights? It just came up right here. I don't think I've ever made a video at this time. It looks just like the time it was yesterday when I pointed straight up. Yeah. Ooh, we're working with the experts right here. Delta 737 after two minutes. Yet again, another one that seems to be at only 1,000 feet. Oh, I see two high ups. One's a southwest. I'm gonna get my camera. I got my camera in my hands. I'm gonna see what they are. Oh, he's making a contrail. Yeah, that's Southwest 737 800. I'm gonna see what that one we're looking at is. Yep, that was a 777 we saw making contrail at the beginning. There's a CRJ over there. This camera is the most impressive thing. It has to be the most impressive camera with zoom. I decided I would take it outside anyway, even though the great dropping on a rock incident, but that was because I got startled. I don't think I'm gonna get startled. Hey, an MD-80 right there. Again, I'm going to use my camera. Just gotta go get it. For Christ's sake, I'm sorry. Sorry you guys can't see it. Sorry you guys can't enjoy. Yep, that's an MD-80 alright. I was able to see the windows on something that the camera can barely even see. Oh, another aircraft's coming. This is CRJ. As Matt Cochran would say, it looks Reginald-ish. ACC RJ700. Wow, it's flying right above us too. But I don't think the camera can hear it. Woohoo. Here's our landings. Douglasville, Georgia. It is like evening. Sorry I haven't said anything. Hey, we're gonna watch a car come. This guy sort of just. I don't think he was supposed to do that, but okay. Hey. Whee! You're gonna be in a video, sir. You're being filmed. Hey! There's a jet I can't see. Oh, finally. 737, I think. I guess. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna use the telescope with it. We'll see you guys later. Bye.